is a zoonotic disease, which means this disease attacks all types of warm-blooded vertebrates, even humans. According to SADANA 2006, myiasis occurs due to the larva infestation starting in the injured skin area, and then the larva move deeper into the muscle tissue and make tunnels so that it can cause the wound area more swollen and wider. According to SADANA 2003, cases of myiasis in Indonesia are still showing an increase, especially in the central area of livestock, such as South Sulawesi, East Sumba, and Java. Kediri Veterinary Clinic's data shows that in 3 years, there has been an increasing of myiasis cases. In the first year, there has been 47 cases, then 63 cases in the second year, and 89 cases in the third year.
Then, what is the cause of myiasis? The old world screwworm plague, or Trisoma baziata, has been identified as the main cause of myiasis in a tropical country. And then, the World Organization for Animal Health, or we can call it OIE, states that myiasis is an infectious disease. However, according to SADANA 2011, myiasis has an impact on the socio-economic sector and has impacts on international trade in products of animal origin. Today, the control and treatment of myiasis use antibiotic and synthetic insecticides. In fact, according to Rose et al. 2003, the use of synthetic insecticide has been proven to have negative impact, such as the development of resistant yeast, poisoning, cancer, residues in meat and milk.
Therefore, it is deemed necessary to have a biological innovation to be an alternative drugs in the treatment of problem myiasis that causes by Trisoma baziana, which making MISER or Myiasis sprayial bamboo shoot. And then, what is MISER? MISER. Yes, MISER is sprayial from Apus bamboo shoot extract as an alternative biologic for fly larva Trisoma baziana, which causes myiasis. In this research, we use as experimental method by performing kinetic measuration, photochemical screening, thin layer chromatography or TLC, and concentration analysis of Apus bamboo shoot extract samples. And then, MISER has been tested physically and its effectiveness mortality Trisoma baziana in vitro using LRM and MDM media.
Based on the result of the study, the pH of the formula in the range 5 till 6 fulfills the pH requirements for spray gel preparations, which has a pH corresponding to the pH of the skin. It's around 4.5 till 6.5. Meanwhile, the viscosity result shows that the viscosity of each formulation still meets the permissible range of the viscosity standards for spray gel preparations, and it's around 500 till 5,000 centipoise. The following graph is a result of the percentage of larva mortality. In the L1 test, it is suspected that the active compound in the Apus bamboo shoot extract works as a larvicide with a digestive system through the stomach poison mechanism.
The next result on insert 2 show us most effective results in the MISER-G, which shows a 100% mortality at 48 hours. The insert 3 test shows that the mortality of larvae increases with increasing concentration. This indicates that the active compounds in Apus bamboo shoot has activity as a larvicide. The result shows that MISER was effective as a larvicide because the extract of Apus bamboo should contain high alkaloid, flavonoid, tannins, and cyanide acid compounds, where the active compound is a larvicide in nature which can affect the activity of enzymes, substrate, the respiratory system, and relatively toxic compounds that act on the CNS or central nervous system.
Therefore, it is determined that the MISER, Myiasis sprayial bamboo shoot, can be used as biological because of Rhizoma bassiana. We hope that this measure can be a cheaper, natural, and effective solution for treatment of myiasis. And this research, which has also been registered to hold intellectual or patent rights published by the Ministry of Law and Human Rights of Indonesia, which can strengthen this research.
Class, we are from Mr. Team.
We are collaborating to finding the best solution for human and environment.